Dear all, so today we're going to discuss about hydrochemical bath deposition. So here we are taking solution of chemicals, right? For example, so in the first one, so in this beaker, we have taken Ag plus sulfur. So from taking this, so we're going to get Ag sulfide. Okay, so before going to get the Ag sulfide, so the nucleation should form. Okay, so for that we're going to keep the chemical beaker in the sunlight, so there is chances for nucleation of Ag. So Ag plus and then electron minus, so we can get Ag. So then the sulfur and then Ag, okay, so both are going to involve in the chemical reaction. So finally we can get AgS, okay, Ag sulfide. So this is the formation. So in this, most important thing is how the way we're going to form the nucleation. Okay, so after the formation of nucleation, so after this process, when we're going to keep any substrate, okay, so the substrate should be well cleaned one. So when we're going to keep the substrate, so after the completion of chemical reaction, the chemically bonded Ag and then sulfur, they are searching place for deposit. Okay, so when we're going to keep a surface, that means substrate. So in the surface of the substrate, the Ag is going to deposit. Okay, so the deposited film, how it looks, how can we get the uniformity and then surface morphology. So those type of things are in the diagram D. Okay, in the image D. So first we are going to take 100 nanometer, so and then 20 nanometer and then 50 nanometer. So in that we are able to see the formation of molecules. Okay, right? So formation of molecule in what structure and then in what surface morphology the formation of AGS is made. Okay, so and then in the image F K J K L. Okay, so the bottom three images. Okay, J K L. So in that images are these images are belongs to IDAX images. Okay, these images are belongs to IDAX images. So IDAX images will give the interpretation of molecules. Okay, right? So compositional analysis. So compositional analysis means what are the molecules are present in the substrate. Okay, so this is what we're going to get from the redox analysis. Okay, so in the first one we are able to see sulfur, copper and then Ag. Okay, and then second one we are able to see Ag and then copper. So copper peak is maximum. Okay, in the image of J, Ag and then copper are both height. Sulfur is minimum because we took very less amount of sulfur. And then in second image, K image, we are able to see Ag is minimum, copper is maximum. So and then the third image, almost copper and then Ag is going to be same, and then sulfur going to be minimum. Okay, so this is the hydrochemical bath deposition. So in the hydrochemical bath deposition, so most important thing is for solution. So what are the chemicals we are taking, and then how we are going to dissolve the chemicals, and then what way going to prepare the solution. Okay, and then most another important thing is formation of nucleation. We're going to keep the solution in the sunlight and then well cleaned substrate. Okay, so the sticking coefficient of the substrate is most important to get the good quality of films. Okay, thank you all.